Okay, so here we have a PC case called Deepcool Wave 2. A pretty small PC case. I would not use something like this for gaming. So we have an USB 3, two USB ports, microphone and the jack for the headphones, reset and the power button. Here there are two LEDs. This one is for I think one is for hard drive and one it's a light that stays on when the computer is on, and at the bottom just this logo Deepcool, and this side is made of something matte so it doesn't get prints. Okay, and on the side we don't have any glass, we have only this space here where we can just install 120 millimeters fan, I think. So basic computer case fan. And on the back we have the power source area, which is at the top. Here we have another fan area. This is not for 120, this is much smaller. We have on the left the motherboard ports, and here at the bottom we can just place the video card. If you have a big video card, you will need to remove these two slots, how do you call them? Anyway, let's just open it up and see what we have inside. Now it is very small, as I said, and you can do any type of cable management. We have here the area for the CD-ROM, which nobody is using, and here for the SSD and the hard disk. I think any motherboard should fit here, and these are the ports, including the one for USB 3. And regarding the video cards, any video card should fit here, because as you see there is nothing blocking on the bottom of the case. But as I said, you can't really do cable management because it's very small. We have these empty spaces here where we can just put the cables, but the cables are so small. For example, these ones should reach this bottom corner on the motherboard, and they just can barely reach if you can just put them around here. So yeah, so this is the case, Deepcool Wave V2. Definitely buy something like this if you are going to use without a video card, or with a modest video card if you're not gaming that much. For office, this is a perfect case because it's very small, and from what I've tested, it is also very silent. So definitely get one if you need an office PC case. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you found the video useful, and goodbye.